Our major is definitely a service learning major. We get involved with the community throughout our projects. So this last year we got involved with the Lewiston Council as well as the Save the Bollinger Council to save a historic building from a wrecking ball. So that was really interesting to propose a design where they could keep the building and just do something new with it.
In my VTD classes, we do everything from 3D modeling, texturing, understanding the platforms used to create video games. And then in my architecture and interior design work that I've done, I've gotten used to looking at spaces and trying to understand how people move through them, how they affect people. And it really changes the way you think about design.
My favorite project is actually one that we're working on currently in my studio class. We are to build an intervention that actually connects to this building behind me, and it has been really exciting and a great way for me to think of how design comes to life.
I remember having an art class where I had to actually go into the wood shop and create an actual model. So that was interesting. With architecture, we always have to build models, whether it's with cardboard, and you always have to have dirty hands with paint and glue, but it's all very fun. Every semester I learn something new, and I figure out that that is my favorite project, but the next semester I get something even better.